How to download and install the Photomath app on your iPhone. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the App Store. Right now, I'm using my Android phone, so I'll go to my Google Play Store. The download process is pretty much similar in iPhone and Android. If you don't want to use your store, you can even go to your preferred web browser. On your browser, tap on the search bar and search for Photomath app. Scroll down, and over here, you will see the link of the Photomath app to the Play Store if you're using Android or to the App Store if you're using iPhone. So if you simply tap on it, over here, you will see the install button in your Android phone. If you're using the iPhone, you will see the get button. So in order to download this app into your phone, you can simply tap on this button. The download process will begin. It might take few moments depending on your internet speed. After the app is installed, you will see this open button. You can directly launch this app from here. So you can simply tap on this open button. You can now start using this app in your phone. So that's a very simple process to download the Photomath app on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.